Welcome to another beginner's guide tutorial in which I'll teach you how to make chord progressions in FL Studio 20. However, before learning how chord progressions are made, it is important to first understand what really chords are. Typically, chords are the building block of any piece of music. They form the harmony which dictates the emotional quality of a song. For those not familiar with chords are mainly formed when two or more notes are played together. Mostly chords are made up of 3 notes, and the most common type of chords include the major and minor chords. In this tutorial, we'll mainly focus on major chords. Naturally, chords are made using notes that fall within the key. To make a major chord, you stack the first, the third, and the fifth notes of a major scale and play them together. For instance, to make a C major chord, we would stack the notes C, E, and G and play them at the same time. In FL Studio, this can be achieved by opening FL key by clicking on this button. Then right click to open piano rolls. Click here to change the key to C major. Next, build the C major chord using the notes C, E, and G and play them simultaneously. How do we make chord progressions? Typically, chord progressions refer to a sequence of 2 or more chords that are played after each other. Chord progressions create feelings that evoke different emotions in a song. So how do we make chord progression in FL Studio? First, you have to decide the scale that you want to use. In this tutorial, we'll use the C major scale, which includes the following notes. Once you decide now the notes that you want to use, you can name the chords that you want to use. For instance, we can use the C, F, and G chords in this tutorial. You should notice that all these chords use notes that fall within the C major scale. Once you have named your chords, the next and the last step is to create the chord progression and to play it. I hope you have enjoyed this short and quick beginner's guide tutorial and you have gained knowledge that can help you to get started with chord progressions. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to also leave a comment. Thank you.